Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get admin pack in Grow A Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the admin pack looks like. And if you want to unlock the admin pack, I would like to recommend you to join the admin abuse event. And this morning, I've just joined the admin abuse. It's called the Weathering Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Make sure that you turn on the admin abuse notification in Grow A Garden. Okay, just join the admin abuse in the game and then you will get this admin pack for free. And I'm just going to open it. Oh, I got advanced sprinkler. So guys, the contents of this admin pack is so random. You can get the uncommon egg, sugar apple, and then level up lollipop, rare egg, jungle egg, basically something from the seed shop and also the gear shop. Oh, I got burning bud. Okay, I got 5 admin pack. Let's open them all. Common egg. Okay, I've just opened all my admin packs. Okay guys, and that's all about the admin pack in Grow A Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.